We're linking plinkos and flinking dinkos. What does that mean? I don't know. That's right, it's Cinco Linko from Big Potato Games. This Connect 5 puzzle game pits 2 to 4 players in a race for tile placement glory. Setup begins by taking a colored stack. That's it. Pick a first player and place a tile on the table. Players will then take turns placing tiles orthogonally, not diagonally. The first player to align 5 of their colored tiles in a straight, complete line, even if it's diagonal, wins. If players run out of tiles before anyone has won, then players will take turns repositioning tiles until they can make a line of 5. When repositioning, no tiles may be removed that strand other tiles without an orthogonal connection. And that's Cinco Linko! You can watch me and my friends play this game and other awesome games on Game the Game right here on Geek and Sundry.